Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat, and in this video I would like to open this huge box from Germany, from one of Russian-speaking YouTubers with diamond painting kit in it. So if you want to see more, stay with me. I am actually streaming lives sometimes on my Russian YouTube channel, and in one of the videos I mentioned that I really like one of the kits from a German store, this one. And one of my YouTube friends actually texted me and she told me that if I pay the shipping, she will send me this kit as a gift. And I agreed, but little I knew that she would send me, along with this very kit, so many other gifts. I'm really very grateful to her. So this is the kit that I really liked. This is the final picture. Look at that. Now, you know my theme. I like the Christmas related kits. I like winter designs, houses, cottages, and this one of I will open it a little bit later. She also sent me this candy is kind of like Santa bear, so I know gnome bears, dwarf bears. She sent me this beautiful picture. Look at that postcard, and she wrote me very nice and warm words. She, as a gift, as a surprise, sent me this very picture as well. I liked it. I commented under one of her videos that I liked it very much, but I didn't mention it to her when she was asking what kit to send to me. I agreed on this one because I didn't want her to spend the money, because I knew, knowing her, I knew that she would purchase me one. And yeah, I was right. I didn't tell her that, but she still purchased that, which I'm also very grateful to her. Look at this final result, so beautiful. We will open this one later. I will show you how it looks. She also sent me this chocolate from Germany. And on every single gift, she put a note, handwritten note with warm words. It is so nice of her. She also made these styluses herself. This one, like autumn related, fall related. What I like about her styluses, look at that. She makes them herself. Is that in comparison to, or unlike other styluses from AliExpress, this one is from Diamond Art Club, that one is from Make Market. These styluses are very weightless, right? They're very, I forgot the word. They're very light, and they're much thinner than these ones. These ones are very beautiful, don't take me wrong, they're very beautiful, but they're not very convenient to work with, so I often use the regular, generic stylus to diamond paint. The standard one that we get in our diamond painting kits. But hers are really very convenient, they're very comfortable to hold, they're thin enough, and very light. So this is the first one. This is the second one. This is actually the pen. She makes pens and styluses. This is also a pen. This is another stylus. She made it for my daughter. Look how sparkly it is. Look at that. The fall one, I like it very much. With a hooked tip. This one with the 7-placer. And these two, I love this one. This one is my favorite. I love it so much. Look at that. It has like the ball with the stars in it. And they are much better than what you see on the screen. Can you imagine? It is handmade. Handmade. She lives in Germany. So, but if you're interested, this is the pen. I can ask her if she sells it or ships it to the United States. She also makes the trays herself on a 3D printer. This one, rose one, golden one. This one is the biggest one. It's huge. Look at that, huh? She also makes cover minders. Oops. This is a Santa cover minder, you see? This is like a candy box cover minder, and this one is my favorite. This is the house cover minder. I think you know why. The magnet is over here. She also sent me this cute wolf, or a doggy, looks like a husky actually, or a wolf. This one from, I don't know where it is from, maybe from AliExpress, but it's a gorgeous, cute kit. I'm pretty sure my daughter will like it, although I would love to diamond paint it as well. I will unbox it most likely in the next video, because it's already, it's pretty long. This video is coming out pretty long, and it has a few special drills that I haven't seen before, like for example, these flowers. So in the next video, we are going to unbox these 3 kits. Not 3, sorry. Actually, she sent me 4 kits. It's also from this German or French, I'm not sure, because avec is translated as with from French. So I'm not sure if it is a French company or not, but most likely this company is sold in Europe, right? So they used to sell kits before, and this one of the older versions of their kits, also avec. She didn't have a box, or it didn't fit into the box that she sent me. It looks pretty detailed, right? So here it is. You know how much the kits are? $5. I'm shocked. 40 by 60 centimeters, $5. Unless she she bought it on a sale or something. But it is super cheap for such a huge size, and that's how it looks. That's how it appears finished. I think it's pretty detailed, right? For such a price, I thought Make Market was cheap. Well, our back is cheaper. So, and this is another kit that she sent me. So, in the next video, we are going to unbox these 4 kits, and we'll look at it more closely. Another thing that she sent me is this home decoration. Actually, I can actually even have it, you know, while streams or something. It's beautiful. Or I can put it on a Christmas tree. And look at this. Oh my God, snow globe with a house. This is a great decoration, you know, for my display when I show completed diamond painting kits. Oh my God, it is so nice of her. Guys, I have never received gifts for my subscriber. I mean, she's my subscriber, but she also is a YouTube blogger, but she is a Russian one, like she has a Russian speaking YouTube channel, but she's also talking about, she's also showing her diamond painting kits, her completed ones, unboxing, so it's diamond painted related videos. So stay with me. I will upload another video in a few hours where we are going to unbox every single kit. Stay with me. I actually decided not to wait for a few hours and record the unboxing right away on my favorite place, on the floor. So this is the very first kit that I would like to unbox from, I guess, German brand Avec, that is sold in German stores, chain Aldi. I want to say Aldi, no, Action. Action. So this is a 40 by 60 centimeters. Let's open and see how it looks inside. This is the final result of the completed kit. Okay, this is a really very interesting kit. It is interesting because, do you see how it looks? It doesn't have any legend, right, on the sides. So technically, this is only the design area, which is great, and I will elaborate on why a little bit later. That's how the design looks like. I really like it. It is not really very color related, so it can look a little bit pixelated, but the final result is here and it looks gorgeous. As to the legend is on the instruction paper. It contains 26 colors, and the reason why there is no legend on the side, why it comes on the instruction, is I think all the companies should use this idea, because all their symbols are either numeric or like letters or alphabetic. That's it, lowercase letters, uppercase letters, but you won't see any other symbol than either a number or a letter, which is super convenient. Hence, there is no need for a legend, because every single bag is marked with a symbol. As simple as that. Now, let's look at the symbol printing. The symbol printing is amazing, very clear, no black grids around the circles, around the symbols. As to the canvas itself, the canvas is just a regular AliExpress canvas, right, like vinyl or whatever it is, but it does have a poured glue, which is great. So I do like fabric-based canvases, but to tell you the truth, it is the least important criteria out of all. One of the most important is the poured glue, and it has it there. So that's how the kit looks on the canvas. Again, it looks kind of pixelated because it is not color related. That's how it's gonna look completed. Oh my god, the design is gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I love the windows, the big windows in the house. It just looks magnificent. Now let's look at the like floor windows, how they called. I love them, especially they look gorgeous at winter time with a Christmas tree next to them. Now let's look at the drills. Okay guys, to my surprise, this kit has the special shaped drills, as you can see, like pearl yellow ones. They go as the ornaments on the Christmas tree. But unfortunately, this kit does not contain any white color. I mean, it does have a white color right over here. And this is not just a regular white color, it glows in the dark. But I am thinking of replacing it with white AB with the glow in the dark effect, because this white color, it is a good idea, right, to glow in the dark, like it goes on the stars and on the moon, so it would look gorgeous at night. All the rest is diamond painted with this color, but I also would like it to sparkle during the day and at the electric light. So what I'm thinking to do is to replace these glow in the dark drills, because they don't really look that good, with glow in the dark ABs. I bought them from Tina, Diamond Painting with Sparklers. And I want you to look at the effect. You see, it is beautiful and it sparkles during the light and on the light, and off the light it still glows in the dark. I think it's a great idea to replace those glow in the dark drills with a glow in the dark ABs from Tina. Beautiful cat. This cat is from Make Market. I made a post review on it. Because, you know, Christmas kits must have white ABs. It's just a must for the snow or for the stars, right? So this kit contains a lot of colors. It has darker colors like a dark brown and dark blue. It has bright colors like light blue color, green, red. It also contains this metallic drills. Maybe they will go on the tree. Most likely I will replace a few colors on the tree with the crystals to show like glass ornaments. Here are the colors. Beautiful colors. I like this one, royal blue ones. So these are the drills. Beautiful design, and we are moving on to the next one. And the next kit is from the same company, Avec. That's how it looks. I'm sorry, I didn't even check the names of those kits. I have no idea. So I don't have a box from them. That's how it looks completed. It's really very interesting when it comes to the coloring. I guess it is a sunset, so there is a lot of red and orange colors. Very interesting. I've never seen Christmas kits in these colors. As to the specifications, it's the same, as you can see. The same symbols, the same poured glue, 60 by 40 centimeters, full round drill diamond painting kit. Symbol printing is gorgeous, and again, it is not very color related, because if you look at the completed kit, it looks a little bit different, brighter, I would say, and pretty detailed. So now let's look at the drills. As to this kit also has a lot of bright and at the same time darker, gloomier colors. A lot of red, a lot of orange, also the metallic ones, special shaped yellow ones, also the ornaments on the Christmas tree. Here they are. And the same white ones plus glow in the dark ones, but I would definitely replace both of them with ABs. So what symbol is that? U. So U goes, interesting. I thought that U would go on the stars. So this one is O and this one is U. Let me see, I'm just wondering where you are. I know where it goes. It goes on the, look, very interesting. It actually goes on the window frame. So it will glow in the dark like the snow. I might use white ABs that glow in the dark on the window frames. And as to O symbol, I will just use regular white ABs. And most likely I will replace yellow color here on the windows with the crystals. And we are moving to the next kit. And the next kit is this one. I'm not sure if it is a husky puppy or if it is a wolf. I do not think that it is from that brand, Avec. I think this is from AliExpress, and Tatiana was just very generous and gave it to me as a gift. I really like how it looks, and most likely my daughter is going to diamond paint it. And as you can see, it is diamond painted with a lot of special shaped drills. So again, the symbol printing is great, no grids, and let's look at the drills. It's the most interesting, right, in this kit. As to this kit, it contains a lot of special shape drills, prolonged green ones, I would say purple flowers, the white pearl water drop shape, blue ones, oval, blue ones. These are also like silver flower, silver prolonged shaped leaves, I would say, leaf shape. This is blue pearl water shaped, green, oh look at that, yellow roses, nice. And these are the crystallines, crystal drills, green, blue, silver, and lighter blue. Nice kit. My daughter is gonna love it. Although I would love to diamond paint it as well. By the way, guys, I never mentioned about the tools, because all of them contain the standard set of tools, so I haven't even mentioned it. And the last but not the least kit is this one. It's an older version from, this brand, Avec, that Tatiana bought a few years ago, so she decided to give it to me. This size is 42 by 62 centimeters, a full round drill diamond painting kit, and this is the final result. As you can see, the canvas rendering looks kind of pixelated, but the final result is much better, right? So again, specifications are the same, so that's how the rendering looks. And we are going to look at the drills. The drills are very interesting, actually. What's unique about this kit is that out of all, this one contains the most AB colors. I would never think that this very design would require that many ABs. But let's look at the colors more closely. I like this color, like sky blue, gorgeous. This kit has more like darker colors along with some bright colors. A lot of blue shades. Look at that. And this is the first AB. I call it Peacock AB. I'm not sure what it is used for. Then white AB. This one kind of looks like a little bit pinkish, I would say. Very, very light pink. Again, a lot of blues. Now, salmon AB. Red AB. You see how many AB colors? I would never think of having so many ABs in this very design. In Christmas one, yes. And Christmas kits have less ABs, right? Some don't have any at all, which is weird. But I think it will turn out really very interesting, right? With so many ABs. So I think that it will look even better than on this picture with AB sparkle. So this is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what kit did you like the most, and hopefully I will diamond paint one of them this year. Thank you so much for watching, and please let me know in the comments what's your favorite design, and I will see you soon.